Everything has to make sense in a house. Visually, every detail has to come together because the most important thing about a house is where are your eyes going from the moment you hit the front door. I want to take those eyes and I want to put them on a journey through a house. My name is Michael Lorant, and I am a home builder, luxury home builder, and I'm also a residential developer. So we go out, we acquire land, usually big parcels. What we do is we drop neighborhoods down on them that we can actually build very exclusive homes. What we did was we started to kick it off by building spec homes. When I first did my first few spec houses, I went to an architect and I had an architect design those houses. As I was building the insides of those homes, I was finding myself doing more and more of the details in the house. It started to become a passion where, wow, I really like the inside details, but maybe these architects aren't designing the best houses for me. I realized I could draw as good a house as any architect. A lot of people ask me this, right? So they say, oh, so you're a design build firm. And I say, yes, that's exactly what we are. I am not a licensed architect, but what I am is I'm a 35-year-long builder in the luxury market. I hear what you want. I've built it for other clients. I've seen what they want. And you're coming to me because you want something special. Tell me about your life. Tell me how you use a home. Tell me about the people you have into your home. Let me put together the house that you just described to me. I can visualize full 3D in my mind, and then I'll sit down and I will draw your house out. And I'm not gonna push you into something I think I want. I'm gonna let you determine that. That's called freedom of design. Natural products bring in a warmth to a house. You're talking different wood species. You're talking different countertop and wall textures, and homes are starting to feel a lot more livable. I come into this house that we built and I don't want to leave. This house is so inviting and so welcoming that when you come into it, you just say, wow, why does it feel so absolutely at home? That's what we're trying to get for clients now is we want you to feel like you're at home. Trust is probably one of the #1 things that I look for with anybody that works in one of our homes or on one of our projects. There has to be a level of trust between me and whoever that vendor or that product manufacturer is. Once I see somebody that I recognize they have that passion, they have that drive, they know what my attention to detail is, because that's what you get when you hire L&E is you're going to get the best people with the most passion working inside of one of my projects.